And we're back with week 15 of GoMining's MinerWars. We had another very, very good week. Total Bitcoin rewards is 0.0179943 Bitcoin. That puts our total return at $1,741.13. As you can see, our payout for cycle 77 was 0.001233938 Bitcoin. We had enough GMT to pay for electricity and service fees, so we got the full pool reward, and that pool reward was $120.96. You can also see our GMT reward for the personal block we won was 304.85 GMT, and that comes out to $144.21. So our Bitcoin payout plus our GMT payout brings us to a $265 weekly payout. And as you can see here, our regular payout would normally be $43.68. That doesn't include the service and maintenance fees, so it would probably be half of this, which would be $21.84, which means we made about 12 times the normal amount that I would be making in solo mining. And the reason why these blocks have two different Bitcoin payouts on them is because we had lower terahash when we won this block, and we had more terahash in the clan when we won this block. You can see my personal reward for 304.86 GMT, and my total investment is $3,821.55. My total return in Bitcoin plus GMT together is $2,316.56. That's at current rates. This is always fluctuating. So we take our total return, divide it by 1% of our total investment, and we get 60.61, which means we're at a 60.61% ROI after only 11 and a half months. As you can see, I started mining on March 4th, 2024, and my rewards have only gotten higher and higher, but this was the best one. So if you've yet to start mining Bitcoin, click on the link in the description below, and you can start mining Bitcoin for as low as $30. And if you already are mining, feel free to join our clan. As you can see, we're winning more and more rewards each week, and the payouts are looking really, really good.